Alright, so what you think about this? Is nothing new, you know. Woman always have a wind up on woman. But I notice it get more now. Nowadays, I see it more and
They want to be more than all them wind up on man.
yeah, friend and wind up on friend. I don't have no problem with it, you know. But I notice it get kind of out of hand now. You go to a party and a beer girl wind up on girl.
But right now,
Man, they do it and the girl right in front of them and them a girl wind up on girl.
the woman right, is a thing now. The rub catches thing I get hard. Yeah man, them a do it hard, you know. Even friends, you see two friends and walk
Yeah,
out,
man.
them a fuck on it.
Them a rub crutches.
Yeah.
Nah, they do.
And then maybe if that one you find a little man where she like that way, she will share the friend. Yeah man, I don't think that.
So she bring the man at the party.
Yeah, regular thing.
But
yeah,
him
regular
just,
thing
him just find himself in a middle about threesome basically.
Just so, yeah.
Because our best
Because
friend,
the
she and our best
them
friend are
didn't do it.
long time.
Yeah.
Before him.
Before him, brother.
So them just more open with it now then.
It's getting more, that scenario is getting wider and wider. It's like a see it. So it just get wider and wider, and then the young people them are up to some crazy shit. So if we did kind of introduce, cause
Back in the day, yeah.
from this,
from our days. Yeah,
Yeah,
some of them
but
eyes I see it never so bad.
No, the young people them it become the norm to them now because we kind of we are
we started.
Yeah, dog. We start like whole heap of things we are going out the cutting so now.
I get water and power now.
Yeah, and we started, brother. You know, our generation or the generation, not even the generation before we can't say that.
Yeah man, them too.
Them too.
So as you say, it just
some
again.
things.
It
When
just
them
again.
young people are now coming like
Then gone with it.
that them learn.
That them grow and see.
That them grow and see, brother. So you see two girls just slap ass and a wind up in a club now. To them, they're supposed to do it.
I didn't
That them come see. So that now when we look on them now and I say, right, yo, how you think that's really and truly how we started? And
We
make
can't
them
blame
grow
them.
like we can't blame them.
And then when we realize too, you know, because our man stay, you know, in our nature, when a woman tell we say, them are go out. But don't worry babe, so I'm going out with my friend or my friends. So we as man say, alright, just make sure you not dance with no man, you know. You can dance with your friend and your sister in them, but don't dance with no man. So that to have a part to play with it, you know,
More
cause
of a threat to you than anybody else.
we not know say the woman is a threat too. We don't want you dance with no man in a
think
but
about it that way there, because if you're not really business, well fine.
yeah.
But you see, if you care about your woman having
Multiple partners.
not multiple partners, man, but having intercourse with anybody else apart from you, what that man be
Man or woman.
if you care about that, just know say you ain't no problems. Yeah, man.
Because him feel say everything good now, you know, cause she out there, she just a wind up on her friend them. When he call him friend them, say, yeah man, I see a girl in a club man. But now you say, but just she and her girl them a rub up on one another. So you're good man, everything good. I never see her a dance with her brother.
Bro,
But
even
even
though
no,
you know, you see, if you should brother, I feel like if you love it. You know, yeah, because them girls, I mean, I tell you, them girls.
you don't win. You don't go with it at scenario.
Brother, them are rub catches, bro. Yes, that's the thing there.
Yo. Yeah, but there with a girl where a rub crutches are, you never know when you find out in the middle of the relationship.
Yeah, man. The girl where them into them thing there. But it's fine by me, like
Yeah,
man.
man.
Business. But
Yeah,
she make it known still.
Yeah, okay.
She will pull a girl.
But
She make me a fuck girl too.
you never there with a girl, but you never know say she got away.
No, I never have that.
Okay. No one know them always open with it.
For me, yeah, for me, you don't need to hide from me.
Yeah.
It's whatever would be, well, not whatever would be. It's either me I go like it or me not like it. But me not really give them reasons to hide them things from me.
Yeah man.
Especially that.
I want to say one time I never know, but I did have a feeling
So she do it?
she and her best friend, bro, them like this, but them too much like this. So me did always in my head say, you know, some people say them are rough crutches.
So you find out say that
After in a relationship, me and her there, and then she say she want to have threesome with the best friend. Make the best friend come.
Yeah.
So me never surprised because I say from meet the girl, I say she and her friend are too close.
she bring it to you?
Yeah, man, she bring it to me.
But
But me the pick, I say, from see them how them move, I say them girls are too close, man.
yeah.
But about 3 months now in a relationship, then she say you don't want that, man. Threesome.
No problem.
Me done didn't know that I go on already, you see me? So you can read the signs, you know. Enough man there with them woman, and them don't know say them woman a lesbian too. Them just feel say I play around with our friend them in a club and
Yo, it's
them always huggy and kissy, but no, it go deeper than that.
Nah, for the woman them just. The woman them more bisexual, like a wide variety of woman.
That man.
Bisexual.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, them women look, they get so gone. You know what I do, what I understand with that too?
Yeah.
I realize the woman them admire each other, you know.
Yeah, man.
Some
But yeah,
nice girl out there, you know.
Yeah, when
girl will see girl and say,
when woman
nice,
when woman dress up for goat, you know, that
Yeah.
nothing to do with you know, bro. As the
Brother.
girl, other girl out the road, she make sure say she had a look better than her, or they on the same level. You know, nothing for we to do with we as man, you know.
Yeah,
So the
brother.
man them out there don't get it twisted when your woman dress from head to toe,
Yeah, man.
and you share impress. And the girl out the road.
Girl out there. Just like how you was see and say, blood clot girl like a copy.
So she say, yo,
So that girl
that
is nice. Give me that suck off her breast, no, or whatever.
yeah, man.
See?
A real talk,
Because
man.
she admire for her breast, she admire for her ass,
Yeah,
she
man.
admire her lips,
Yeah.
she admire her makeup, she admire, you understand?
Yes.
So she build up a level of liking for that girl, like when she curious.
Yes.
You get me?
She admire her so much.
Yeah.
So till it turn attraction.
Attraction, bro.
And again, man,
That I reach
man,
them.
we in the dark, man. We in the dark era. A girl will come up to your girl at the club, you know. And you don't know if she know her from your office or from your office or them just, you never business. But a man approach a woman, you gotta say, yo, I would have to come talk to you and but a next woman come to your woman, you know, say nothing.
No.
You see it and you just start drink, see him with her.
Them
And
just a
I look the girl, I look your woman.
two number exchange.
Crutches are up.
Hustler.
You in the dark.
Like, yeah, man, it up.
Yeah, oh,
You
man.
see it up in from my eye.
Yo, woman,
You know what I mean?
deadly creature, them, eh?
Dangerous thing, man.
When we think so we bad, when I reach nowhere for there for them level yet.
But here we go, and I have experienced so much. So some of them never know if them do it or not. Because I mean, I get invested like that either.
I
But
just have a business.
yeah.
You get so used to it, you have a business
Yeah,
over.
business. I mean, I have one friend know one at a time, where I have a chatty one at a time, see, me have
Yeah.
a friend, me have one friend, see,
Yeah.
and me and her go out, you know, twos, the other friend now, see me,
Yeah.
and them time them, yo, me and the dog them apart, so them know even the scenario.
Yeah, man.
See? Come so boom now. I think we pick up Pinky the night.
Yeah.
No lie, me know it so far. Me and the friend are roll. The friend no, the girl that me I talk about, she tell me to go pick up the friend first.
Okay. You don't meet the friend yet, that first year I meet.
Ever.
Yeah.
Give me the friend address, give me the friend number. See?
Yeah.
Pick up the friend. The friend now. So we reach in the Arabians who they go. So we reach up Arabians and we vibe and we nice and we party and we racing.
Yeah, man.
Boom now. It's like when we go home, one at a time all the friend are pour me drink, like she say, oh wait. You know what I mean? That's my friend now.
Yeah.
I say, but what really I go on? I don't understand.
The
You know
friend
what I
that
mean?
take care of you.
Ah, the friend, the fear friend now I go on about that things. Them come so we are left now.
Yeah.
And the friend does go on with herself in the back. So me I say, yo, man, fuck. She
Yeah.
said, she tell me no. She she say, yo, not she. Like she say, yo, when I do it,
Would I do it, but not that
with
one,
that one, yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know the reason. Me feel like said them fuck each other before.
Right.
So me understand what you say when you say earlier. Say, yo, you're suspect. And me kind of get to know them girls. They say, yo, them crazy like that.
Yeah, man.
It's like a whole crew of them fucking insane.
Yeah.
So go on and me I say, yo, me did want to fuck off for the friend.
Pretty, yeah.
So that is why me I say, yo, make we do it.
Right.
She say, yo,
She said, no. So what you do?
Me come so boom, yo, me have no money, I just say,
It was link it what out here.
me I say, yo, more me go road, yo, not with she.
Yeah.
She hesitant at first and then, yo, boom, she do it.